Hey guys, welcome back to another excited video. I'm making calalloo dumpling this morning for breakfast. Yes, calalloo dumpling. Calalloo dumpling. And tell me what, we cook up saltfish and butter bean. And here's my ingredients: my peppers, my tomato, my hot peppers, and my onion, and my scallion, and my thyme, and my garlic. And all these are my dry seasoning: Mistress Dash, garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, and some black pepper. Oh, come with me, man. And here goes my flour. So calalloo dumpling. If you never eat calalloo dumpling before, you're going to eat calalloo dumpling today. Alright, stay tuned. Okay? And I will just get all these things cleaned up. Put my saltfish on the fire. I know saltfish have a little while to all the salt to come out. So I'm going to give it 3 to 4 cook. Okay? So first, I'm going to wash my saltfish. My pot is on the fire waiting for me. Stay tuned. Yes, my saltfish. Wash off some of the salt before you put it on the fire. Okay, it's on the fire and I put my stove to high first. Okay. Okay. Strain off the water from my saltfish. And I'm gonna give it 2 more boil. You want the salt to come from up the saltfish. You don't want to eat it any too salt. Okay. I'm going to wash my calalloo first. I put some salt. I put some salt in the water. The water is not much, so it's not going to take me long. So they leave them big and pretty outside and come from, you know. Yes, my calalloo, man. I'm going to wash them clean. Let them soak in the water for a minute. And these are some things you have to take off the calalloo. See it? See it? You have to take off these things from the calalloo. Right. I don't have to cut the calalloo small because I'm making calalloo dumpling. So guess what? I'm going to blend the calalloo and use the water to make the dumpling. Yes, make the water. Use the water to make my dumpling. And I have 2 cups of flour there. No more than 2 cups. Okay. I just wash my hand. So I'm going to knead my dumpling now. Yeah. I'm going to put a tip of salt in my flour. Yes, and here's my calalloo water. It fit. Oh my gosh. Calalloo dumpling. Oh my gosh. This is calalloo dumpling. Very rich this morning. Yes.
Enriching.
I'm making a lot because we don't have much people this morning to eat. It's for my husband and I breakfast. Calalloo dumpling. Take my hand taking it out. Oh my gosh, I love it. You can make calalloo, take calalloo and do every little thing you want to. You can make juice with it. Green dumpling this morning, right?
And very rich dumpling.
I have a little bit left. And I have some whole wheat dumpling flour. I'm going to add some to it. If you even make a 2 whole wheat dumpling. My sister don't like the white flour, so I will just make 2 whole wheat dumpling for her. Because I have enough juice left. Look, this is lovely, right? This is lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Calalloo dumpling. Okay? And I'm going to have some more left right here. I'm going to make some whole wheat. This is unbleached flour, I should let you know. Unbleached flour. 2 cups of unbleached flour. Whole wheat flour. Okay? So this is the whole wheat dumpling, and it look different from the I have my pot on my fire and I'm waiting on it to boil. So this is my whole wheat dumpling, and this is my unbleached flour. Unbleached and whole wheat.
Great, right?
Yeah. Okay. I go back and I wash my hand to make my dumpling. So I'm gonna make my dumpling here first. I am gonna make these, but I'm not gonna make it round like this one. I'm gonna make it long like this. Okay, so I know the different. I'm gonna make 4. Roll them up. Yeah, this is dumpling. My pot is on the fire, boiling. Okay, so I won't make no mistake when I'm showing my dumpling. So this is my unbleached flour. Nice flour. You give it a thumbs here. This is 1. I think we can make around 6. See it? It's on my pot is on the fire, boiling, waiting for me. It take around 20-25 minutes to cook. Okay? Dumpling don't take long. Told you. I get 6 dumplings out of my duck flour. This is my saltfish. I soon change the water, but there we go. I drop my dumpling in my, before that I let me put some salt. Oh, 1/4 teaspoon, not much. So I had some salt in the dumpling water, and I'm gonna add my dumpling to the pot. Green dumpling. Oh, yeah. Calalloo dumpling, and this is a whole wheat one. Meanwhile, my saltfish is on the fire. I'm just getting these things washed. Okay. Meanwhile, my saltfish and my dumpling cooking. Then I prepare my season for my saltfish. Okay. I like to cook tomato when I'm doing saltfish. Here's my red pepper. This is a hot pepper. My scallion. This is my garlic. Okay, the second time for my saltfish. Saltfish or codfish. Okay, yeah, give it 1 or 2 more time boil. I'm gonna taste it and see. I just opened my butter bean, and here goes my butter bean. I'm taking off my saltfish, give it the last cook. That's the last cook, so I'm gonna get everything ready. Okay? Okay. Whee. it's cooked. Okay, I'm gonna put cold water on it. So I'm gonna make it sit in the cold water for a minute, and then I will pick it up. Take out the bones. Okay, come out of the water. So you have to take the skin from the, when the saltfish cook, you have to remove all this stuff from it and the bone. See it? See it? That's the bone. And this white stuff. That's the skin for the saltfish. Okay, I'm just showing you one piece, okay? And also in the middle, you have something to remove. Okay, there you go. And you pick it up like this. Okay. Okay, this is saltfish I just pick up, okay? There goes my dumpling. They are ready to eat. Okay, I'm using this coconut oil to cook up my saltfish and my butter bean. I'm gonna put some oil in the pot. Wow. Alright, that's good enough. Okay, gonna add all my stuff in the pot. Aye. My tomato, my garlic, oh, all my peppers and my scallion and my hot pepper. Yeah.
Smelling so nice, man.
I like to cook it a lot of season, as I said before. Yeah, make the pot look good.
Colorful.
You're eating the food, man, and the food look good. You don't have to worry. Tastes better. Okay, yeah, add my saltfish, or my catfish, some people call it, or what they said. It named two names, catfish and saltfish.
Yep.
Some people call it catfish and saltfish. So I have my catfish to my pot. And my butter bean. And with my seasoning, the dash, my onion season, the garlic, the black pepper, and the paprika. Just add them to your pot. Just add the seasoning to your pot.
Very nice.
Give it another 10 minutes, 5 minutes on the fire, 5. And then I can go ahead and ready to heat, okay?
It's so nice, guys.
Okay, guys, I finished everything. And I'm gonna make myself a plate. Take a whole wheat dumpling, okay? Okay, guys, my saltfish and my butter bean with my calalloo dumpling. And I make whole wheat dumpling and unbleached flour. Okay, so two type of flour I have here. This is the whole wheat and this is the unbleached flour. And this is my breakfast for this morning with my tangerine juice. My tangerine juice. I'm gonna dig in my dumpling now. I can't wait to taste it, man. Ui, ui. Mm-mm. Guys, try this food at home. Try this food at home. Okay, very nice. Calalloo dumpling. Remember, please, to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell a friend to tell another one. Okay? Click the notification bell. That's whenever time I do a video, you're the first one to receive it. Okay, thank you all for watching and for staying with me. Be blessed. God bless everyone.